Hello, this is Nevis here, and I'm going to show you now how to use Word to be able to improve your own pronunciation. So today in class we had some words that seem very difficult for some of the students to pronounce. So I made a list of them, and I've now copied and pasted that list into a Word document. I'm running Office 365 and many of my students do have it, so I would like them to make the best use out of this program by using it to improve their pronunciation. So here are the words that I've copied into this document, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to basically, what I need to do is simply right click, and the drop down menu will allow me to choose read aloud. It can also translate, but I don't want that. I need it to read aloud. When I click on read aloud, let me do that again, read aloud, you'll see that this mini toolbar appear up here. I can go into the settings and actually change the reading speed. I can also change the voice selection from female to male. I'm just going to leave it at female at the moment. The reading speed, you can change it to read slower. So Microsoft George is speaking for us. Let's go to Microsoft Hazel, and let's begin again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select what I want to be read aloud, and then again click on read aloud. And now wait for my read aloud to appear again.
Words and phrases to study. Nearby. Cultural. Attractions. Inexpensive hostels.
Now if you think that's too slow, let me just speed it up a little bit. There we go. A little bit, and just go forward a bit. There we go.
Descriptions. Below. Entertainment. Relaxing. World famous. Multiple. Promised. Suggested. Explained. Reminded. Literature. Encouraged.
Now what I suggest to my students is that they can either make it slower so they can understand the pronunciation better, or let it read 2 or 3 words or phrases at a time, and then pause it, go back and repeat what you've just heard, so that you can study the pronunciation, and then just keep going through the list. Or you listen to the list all at once and then go back and do it again slowly. Either way, and you can click on next as well, or go back to the previous, for example.
Encouraged. Verb, to read, read, read. Roughly. Persuade others to do or accept something. She tries to convince her parents to let her stay.
Now I just noticed that this didn't read the past as it should have been. It should have been to read, 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 but it actually read as to read, read, read. So what we may do is just do this. Make it so that we know, and it will read it correctly, and we'll go back to previous.
Encouraged. Verb, to read, read, read.
Okay.
Roughly. Persuade others to do or accept something. She tries to convince her parents to let her stay out late. But they don't accept. How to pronounce CC in words: accept, access, success, etc. Get the gist means to understand the topic / reading etc. in general. Well, we persuaded.
Okay, let me stop this. So read this as a slash. So topic or reading. and etc. will only recognize it if it has a dot. So we'll do that. So we'll just go back, play.
In general.
No, let's go back a bit
Well,
more.
get the gist means to understand the topic or reading etc. in general. Well, we persuaded him to drive the bus. Appeared. Kangaroo. Great. Root. Verb, to worry, worried. Adjective worrying. Amazed. Exhausted. Slightly nervous. Went off into the bushes. Discovered. Luxury tents. Wild creatures. Embarrassed by my fears. We had brought food as we knew there would be nowhere to eat.
Okay, so that's the end of that, and that's how easy it is to use Microsoft Word to read aloud and be able to practice your pronunciation and make it perfect. So I hope this helps. Enjoy. Thank you for listening. See you soon.